Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the notification settings on Clash. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Clash app. After that click on your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen on the right corner. And after that click on the settings, which is at the top right corner, and then you can see the notifications section and the push notifications. Click on that and you can see that you can turn on and off these notification settings. The first one is do not disturb, which is here separately as well if you go back. Okay, so do not disturb. The second one is subs notification. After that, the comments notification, the reactions notification, and follow notification. So if you want to get notifications like this, you have to turn these options on. If you do not want any of them, you can click on the do not disturb, and then all the others are turned off. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.